way to today, Cherrapunji. So right now we are at Million, which is like a small village. It's closer to Shillong. I think it's around 10 or 11 kilometers from Shillong. We are traveling to Cherra today, so which is like a 55-kilometer long drive from where we are staying. And it's raining quite heavily. It has been raining quite heavily since morning. So we are trying to figure out the road. Given the visibility is not that good, as you can see. But yeah, it's a lovely ride. Although you might not be able to see all of it on the camera, but from what we can see, it's a beautiful drive. We are being very careful on our way, and we will be very careful so that we reach there safely. As of now, the visibility isn't that great because it's been raining quite heavily. It has started to mellow down a little, the rains, but isn't quite just drizzling right now. It's still raining. Let's hope things get better. Let's hope that we have a great day ahead of us. ঘরে থাকে না গো মন, কাছে যাবো খুঁজে পাবো ওগো তোমার নিমন্ত্রণ। কাছে যাবো কবে পাবো ওগো তোমার নিমন্ত্রণ। জুথি বনে হাওয়া করে শুধু আসা যাওয়া, হায় হায় রে দিন যায় রে ভরে আধারে ভুবন। কাছে যাবো কবে পাবো ওগো তোমার নিমন্ত্রণ। ওয়েলকাম Mahakaba Hills. Can't even see the name. I couldn't see the name. Some hills in Meghalaya. Lots of hills. Nice place. Somewhere around Cherrapunji. I'm not sure where exactly, but not very far away from Cherrapunji or Mawsmai for that matter, I believe. But don't know the name of the place. Bye bye for now. So we are, I think, in Cherrapunji right now. I don't think, I know we are in Cherrapunji. We're getting out of our car. That's the road. Just have a look at the view. It's a lovely road. I think this is somewhere on the top of the mountain where it's some sort of a view point, and we have a guest house over here. So we are at Circuit House in Sohra. That's in Cherrapunji. So again, oh, this is Punchu and Punchu's mom. Punchu's mom. How do you feel? You want to dance in the rain?
It's raining heavily.
Oh, it's quite cold.
It's raining heavily.
And do you want to dance in the rain? You might want to. Oh, that's your dance. Okay, that's your dance. Ah, it's a lovely place. That's our car in the middle of nowhere. Not nowhere, it's actually Sora. We know where it is. It's a beautiful place. Oh, and it's raining heavily. Let's get back to our car. Something that starts with an N, and you can see the valley as well, covered with clouds. So the white things that are moving over there are obviously clouds. It's not mist, not haze, it's just clouds. That's why it's called Meghalaya, which basically means abode of the clouds. And that's the
Seven Sister Fall.
That's the Seven Sisters Fall, I believe. Seven Sisters Fall? Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
This is the Seven Sister viewpoint.
This is the Seven Sister viewpoint. Let's go.
Yeah.
Video of all of us YouTubers. Hello.
Hello.
What is your name, ma'am?
My name is Lavin.
We had a lovely Maggie and tea at Lai's tea stall. This is Lai's son. We had a lovely time over here. And Mahadev, how was the tea?
Editor shooting. Thank you so much for the lovely tea and Maggie.
Thank you so much.
Like the weather here?
Well, the weather is not so good.
Yeah. We did not expect so much rain.
We didn't expect so much from us.
Chalo, bye.
Bye. মহাদেব জায়গাটা কিরকম? ভালো না সুন্দর? কিরকম সুন্দর?
খুব সুন্দর।
ইংরেজিতে?
ভেরি নাইস।
ভেরি ভেরি নাইস। At Mawsmai cave. You can see the
It's very nice.
Very nice.
So it's you have to crawl through, but it's all lit. It's all lit here.
It's not so scary.
You have to go through. I am highly claustrophobic and I
Oh,
made
we have to sit down and slide?
Yeah,
No, nothing like it.
Okay.
It is not. I'm just telling you.
Really?
It's not scary. I am very scared of.
I went through it.
You're very
so we can do it.
claustrophobic.
Yeah, exactly. But I made it.
That's the question.
দাদা আমি গেছিলাম মনে হচ্ছে একটু 30 rupees per head. I need to give.
I don't think I have. Do you have?
I have no.
I think I might.
Yeah, you have the 200 rupees note. No?
Two.
This is a hell of an experience. Statue, I think, but hi, Shiva Linga. Oh God. Oh, I remember this.
It's a realistic experience. Come. Get ধর এটা আমাকে হ্যাঁ ধর হঠাৎ করে টেনে ধরিস না তাহলে স্লিপ খেয়ে যাও সো সেজুতি রাইট না
কতটা ক্রল করতে হচ্ছে?
এই সামান্য ধরে নে নিয়ে নে এবার আমাকে যেতে হবে
দাদা আমি নিচ্ছি।
So I'll give you a live experience of what crawling means.
Oh God, dear, oh my God. Let me just hold that. I'll shoot. That's Kumar for you.
Jyoti, need to help me out here. এটা ধর This is the exit. Okay. There you go. ছাতাগুলো রেখে দে না, ছাতাগুলো রেখে দে, রেখে দে, জাস্ট ছেড়ে লেট ইট বি। আমি নিয়ে আসবো, তুই ছাতাগুলো রেখে দে না, ব্যাগটাও রেখে দে। এটা নে।
And there we are. Finally. There comes Kumar.
We just came out of Mawsmai caves. It was quite an experience. Shiriti working on her claustrophobia. And that is the way out. The car is parked over there. You can see the lovely picturesque view of the entire place. It's raining. It's quite a downpour today. Let's head back. So this is Bangladesh for you guys. This is my mother. How's Bangladesh? How's Bangladesh? You don't know? Bangladesh is a lovely place, full of lovely people. But my mother's ancestors are from Bangladesh. My mother is a Hindu, but Bangladesh has a majority Muslim population. Yes. Begum is the usual, not the usual, one of the surnames from Bangladesh. This is Mahadev, our driver. Bangladesh is a beautiful place full of beautiful people, lovely people, and Mahadev is trying to showcase his talent as a Michael Jackson moonstop or moonwalk dancer. And he wants his picture to be taken. Okay, that's lovely. That's lovely. Mahadev, do you like the place? Khub Sundar, that's what he says. That's our car. Sheriti and Punchu are in the car. This is Bangladesh again for you. This is Bangladesh. I'm not too sure, but I think this is the Sylhet side of Bangladesh. Anybody who's watching this video, do let us know which part of Bangladesh this is. This is close to Cherrapunji, so you guys would know which part of Bangladesh this is. It's a lovely road. It stopped raining finally, thankfully. And have a look at this lovely view. So this is the beautiful road we have in front of us. Now that, let's drive. Bhalo koira bajao go dotara gao sundari kamola nache re gao bhalo koira bajao go dotara sundari kamola nache re gao pechono gao sundari kamola পায়েতে নূপুর রিমি ঝিমি বাজে রে ভালো কইরা বাজাও গো দোতারা সুন্দরী কমলা নাচে রে and that's the view.